It's morning. You've been listening on repeat to your favorite AI podcast, AI this, AI that. One says AI is going to solve all of our problems. Another says AI is going to replace all of us. And the software engineers were the first to be redundant. Fucking Devin. AI, GPT, API, IoT, AIoT. This is no longer human language. Stop. Just stop. You're going to overdrive. You need to slap yourself. Better yet, ask Will Smith to slap you. Let's get real. AI isn't magic. It's not going to transform your career overnight. You've seen all the jargon, algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and yeah, they're powerful. However, here's the kicker. They don't mean jack if you don't know how to use them effectively. But you are here now, watching this, with your new favorite AI whisperer / dominatrix. You are hopeful. Am I your savior? Yes. LLM, RAG, multimodal, agentic, everything state-of-the-art. Move over, ChatGPT, you are good once. There'll be projects, exercises, you'll practice so much your hands will feel numb. And no, you're not going to use ChatGPT to plan a trip to Rome or the top 5 prompts that will make you stand out. That's amateur hour. I'm going to show you how I use AI for my business. So join me and make AI your bitch. See you inside.